Hello, good morning, my guys. We come back with a new story about my kitten. Yes. They eat breakfast, then start play, and they come our rooms. Yes, they don't like go for special their rooms. Yes. See, all time play fight. Oh, Gordon, honey. Oh, small Jennifer, Orangey, Gordon. Enough. Oh, Mama, help me, Mama. Don't touch me, I tell Mama, come, help me. Oh, oh, what are you doing? Oh, Gordon, honey, what are you doing? I don't know. Honey, Gordon, what are you doing? Play? Gordon. Thank you, my guys, for watching this video. Please don't forget, share, like, and send for friends, family, and the show all the kids. Yes. Yes. Oh my, oh mama, enough, don't touch me. Oh my god. Jennifer, Angelina. Oh my god. I like them so much. Angelina, all time fight together. Play, but no fight. Yes. They like together because they are so smooth. They have about 3 months. Not complete, about 2 months half. About 3 months. Yes. I have many kind, many color kitten. Yes, I like them. Angelina, Honey, Gordon, Jennifer. Thank you, my guys. Bye. Please don't forget and support us. Bye.